Hello. So today I thought I would go through some more nail polish. I like the sound the nail polish makes when I'm moving them around. I don't know if anybody else feels the same. So I have a lot of things to get done today. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm gonna see how many I can get through before I have to end the video. I'm also compiling a list of trigger words that I find effective personally. So let's begin the video. So a lot of these need shaken, which is good for me when it comes to tingles. This first color is a very nice purple, and it is called Forbidden Fruit. Let's give that a shake and see if there's a bead. Oh, no bead in this one. This was made by Sinful Colors. I really like this nail polish line. We'll put them off the screen there. All right, next we'll do this one here. I'm not super familiar with the brand Finger Paints, but it is a really nice clear pink, so it's a good top layer over another color or more pigmented pink. So this one is Rainbow Puddles. Oh, and no bead in that one either. Next, let's do this purpley blue, another one by Sinful Colors, and this one is called Deep End. There we go. Oh, there's a bead in this one. Yeah. All right. Next, let's do this flesh-toned Santy color. It is called, let's see if we can get a clear shot. It's called Lavender. And this one doesn't seem to have a bead either. I have a lot of purples and pinks, even though I don't really wear them. You can tell by my nails I don't really keep up on coloring them, but I do love to collect them. This next one is another Sinful Colors nail polish. It is called You Just Wait. Let's see if I can get it clear. Oh, sort of. And this one does not seem to have a bead either. our next one here, called Hot Tamale, is by Sally Hansen, Hard as Nails Extreme Wear. And this one definitely has a bead. There we go. Let's do this very dirty, very old Santee glitter top coat. This one is named Opal Speckle, not Spectle, Speckle. This one is Opal Speckle, and it's a really nice top coat. Oh, no bead in that one either. Sorry about the glitch in the video there. I just needed to get more comfortable. My leg was falling asleep. The next color we're going to do is, I believe, a dollar store color by LA Colors. And, oh, I didn't think it had a name for a second, but its name is Weekend Escape. Oh, and there's a good bead in this one. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 colors left. I think we can get through them. So I'll just do them in a row because I've already lined them up so nicely. This yellow I actually got off of Wish, the shopping site. I'm moderately happy with it, but I don't use it like any of my nail polish too often. I can't pronounce the name of it. It's SZLI nail polish brush N, and underneath that it says flat brush matte nail polish. This one does not have a bead in it, but it has a very nice textured bottle. Our next color is, surprise, surprise, another Sinful Colors, and this one's name is Mint Apple. Let's see. Yeah, this one does not have a bead in it, but I do really love this greeny blue color. Alright, Sally Hansen is very good for having beads in hers. This one is another hard as nails, and the name of this one is Tough Taupe. Let's see if I can get it clear. Maybe not. But this one, called Tough Taupe, is a really nice neutral purple. It's a deep matte color. I like it. I prefer the matte ones for wearing, but I usually put a glitter or sparkle coat over top. I wonder if you can hear the sound of the nail polish sloshing around in the bottle when I shake them. Now, this next one, again by Sinful Colors, is a very lovely, super girly pink. It makes me feel very feminine when I do wear it. And the name of this one is Daredevil. And of course, no bead in this one, but I've used enough of it that you can kind of maybe hear it sloshing around in there. Sorry, I bumped my setup. Alright, so we've gone through all of these. There's 5 more that I'm going to show you today. This one is from a store called Susie Shear. It's not in the mall anymore, but I did get a few colors from there from time to time. And this lovely red bronze doesn't seem to have a name anywhere on it, but it's a very pretty color. If I were more clever at thinking up names, I would take a guess. Yeah. This one doesn't have a bead in it, but I have used it enough for, I have used it enough for the sound of the liquid to maybe possibly get picked up by the microphone. I'm so sorry if you just heard my stomach. It's lunchtime and I haven't even considered eating yet, so I'm sorry. All right, 4 more. This next rose gold colored nail polish from Sinful Colors is called Gold and Roses. This one happens to be another one of my favorites. And 3 left. You can see this one's very old and I've used a lot of it. It's another Susie Shear nail polish. They don't seem to have names, just numbers on them, and that's okay. Two more. They're both Sinful colors, so there won't be a bead in them, but this sticker on the bottom is loose and making some interesting sounds. I do love that it's a soft matte pink and it's a little bit warmer of a color. Sorry. And lastly, one of my more used and covered in nail polish colors is from Sinful Colors. It's a black one. Oh, did I not say the name of this one? I don't think I did. I would remember saying Boogie Nights. This last one here is just good old black. I have a few of them. I have quite a lot of black ones. I think I have 4 different black nail polishes. I love using them as an undercoat. Alright, so that was the nail polish for today. I will show more tomorrow. I have enough to do probably 3 more videos like this, or 2 and a little bit. Maybe I will do 2 more videos and then do another video of me rambling and actually using my nail polish to paint my nails. I'll call that good for today, and I will say I hope that everybody has the day they deserve, and I hope that it is absolutely, unequivocally the most amazing and blessed day that you could hope for.